Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making popcorn chicken. This is the second video of my Ramadan prep. Hope you guys enjoy. To start off with, I'm adding 1/4 cup lemon juice to 1 piece chicken breast cut in cubes. Now I'll add 2 tablespoons soya sauce, 1 whole egg, 1 cup plain flour. Now I'm going to add all the spices. That's 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1½ teaspoon paprika powder, ½ teaspoon onion powder, ½ teaspoon white pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon oregano. Mix all the ingredients well and leave it to marinate for 2 to 3 hours. Now let's prepare our coating. For that I'm adding ½ cup corn flour into 2 cup plain flour. Now I'm adding all the spices. That's 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon paprika powder. Mix all the ingredients well. As the chicken is ready, I'm going to take one piece, coat it with flour mixture, then coat in egg, then coat in flour mixture again. The reason I'm coating it twice so the chicken will be more crispy. Now coat all the chicken pieces using the same method. I personally make these regularly as my kids love them. I'm sure your kids will love them too. You can store them in a freezer for up to 1 month. Now let's fry them. Heat oil in a pan, add your popcorn chicken, fry on medium heat until golden, making sure they are cooked through. Once they are light golden, take them out and enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. See you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.